Bismillahirrahmanirrahim from the lectures of sustainable agriculture. As we discussed in our previous videos about the trends for sustainable agriculture, in which we discussed about the rise of population. When the rise of population is taking place, we need to have more farm production and more farm practices. Less farm and less work in the farm will lead to food insecurity in the region, and we need to focus on many farmers in these countries to choose grow those cash which are very much important for the feeding of the people within our societies. So the next slide is based on the impacts and the negative impacts of our current mass production style of farming has resulted in numerous negative side effects. The environmental damages taking place, reduced biodiversity. It has not only reduced biodiversity, but it has also made problems for the biodiversity as well. The habitat destruction, deforestation is one of the main problem in our regions. Water, air and soil pollution is also one of the main problem. The salinization, desertification, decline in water resources and land subsistence. Human impacts are also very much important for this slide. Farmland destruction, damage to soil fertility, reduced nutritional value of food, decreased economic and social and cultural values. For the past several years, research has looked at sustainable agriculture as a potential solution to correct and prevent these problems. As sustainable agriculture is mainly based on organic farming, conventional farming, industrial agriculture is very much important in it. Agroecological, climate smart agriculture and integrated plant production is also very much important for it. So there are many aspects to sustainable agriculture in which we can also focus on making sustainability measurable, soil management possible without a fluffing. Then we can see the livestock farming has many facets. Organic farming, can it feed the world? Mineral fertilizers, a blessing or a curse? And seed from commercial on farm based production. So all these agricultural practices which are involved in sustainable agriculture are very much important for the production of sustainable agriculture. So all the students need to know that environmental damages have reduced biodiversity, habitat destruction is also going down, the deforestation has brought rise in temperature, water and air soil pollution is also one of the main problem. So to deal with these problems, we need to focus on sustainable agricultural practices to improve the quality of life of people who are living in this region, not only in developed countries but in developing countries as well, because these people mostly living in developing countries with extreme poverty, and they need to have sustainable food security and to improve their food security through sustainable agricultural practices as well. The next slide is based on sustainable agriculture was addressed by Congress in the Food, Agriculture, Conservation and Trade Act of 1990. Under that law, the term sustainable agriculture means an integrated system of plant and animal production practices having a site specific application that will, over the long term, it is based on satisfy human food and fiber needs, enhance environmental quality, and the natural resource base upon which the agriculture economy depends, make the most efficient use of non-renewable resources and on-farm resources, and integrate where appropriate natural biological cycles and controls, sustain the economic viability of farm operations, enhance the quality of life for farmers and society as a whole. Thank you for watching this video lecture. So stay with us for the next video lecture, and please subscribe my channel in order to understand sustainable agricultural development and food security problems in South Asia and in Pakistan as well.